Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since my last vlog. But hey, we're back and we're doing better. My name is Basi Santiago, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're watching this video today. Just a quick life update. My wife and I are currently living and working here in Africa for a year now. And for today's video, something exciting is happening. We're heading out on a road trip all the way to Abuja. And if you have never done this journey before, it usually takes about 3 to 4 hours by road, depending on traffic and road conditions. So let's see how our trip goes today. See you later. By the way, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next adventures. This is not just a simple travel day. We've got good food and even some laser tag later. So come with me, let's hit the road and let's go. One thing I love about traveling from Jos to Abuja is the scenery. Rock formations, open land, it's peaceful but exciting at the same time. We just arrived here in Abuja. Fresh air, big city vibes, you can also feel the difference. This is Cantina Restaurant Abuja, located right here on Yedsaram Street. This place looks so cozy and inviting, perfect for a chill lunch. Since we are all starving from a very long road journey, it is finally time to dig in and enjoy our lunch. So we're here in Maitama, Abuja, and guess what, we found a spot that serves amazing Mediterranean-style cuisine. After that delicious lunch, it's time for us to check in and rest a bit. We've arrived here at Bon Hotel Pearl Jabi Lake, our home for this stay in Abuja. This hotel is located in a quiet and peaceful neighborhood here in the capital city, which already gives such a relaxing vibe. It is also really convenient, just about 10 minutes from the city center, close to major spots like the British and Irish embassies. And guys, the rooms, super spacious, modern and really comfortable. Perfect after a long day of exploring and eating. Let's have a quick room tour. Some free coffee, okay. Some drinks, and then the thermos. They have the water there. Chair. They have the fridge. Yes. So this is the bed. Okay, with the TV. So there's also a side table there. So we have a full body mirror. And here's the restroom. Let's check. Wow, nice. Okay, so nice sink, toilet with a bidet. Great. Okay, of course the shower. Let's check. Alright. So here are the toiletries included. You have the soap, shampoo, body lotion, another shampoo. Give it a tissue. There. So let's check what is inside the cabinet. Okay, actually this is just good for 2 people or solo, better. Honestly, if you're looking for a cozy and peaceful place to stay in Abuja, this is definitely a great option. It's time to rest and recharge for our next adventure. So this is the bar where you can order your drinks and have some snacks, and you can also have some meeting with your friends or family members. So this is the area where you can have a meeting. Here are my students, and look at that energy. They're all hyped and ready for our third stop. Let's hit the road, guys. Next destination, here we come. We're heading to Blue Cabana for some epic laser tag action. And trust me, this is the highlight of our very first night here in Abuja. Look at that sunset, it's so beautiful. Alright guys, we just arrived here at Blue Cabana Restaurant and Cafe. And this place already looks amazing. Blue Cabana is known for its delicious cuisine with mouth-watering dishes made from fresh ingredients. Honestly, the vibe here, top tier. But wait, it gets even better. We're about to step into the future of fun at Nigeria's one and only laser tag arena. Get ready for some intense laser combat. Quick details. Minimum age is 11 years and you need at least 6 players up to 12 players per game. So yes, it's about to get competitive. And the price? 11,000 naira per person for 25 minutes. But trust me, for this kind of experience, totally worth it. These are my students waiting for their pre-orientation. Look at this. They got some ice drops in different flavors like chocolate and mango. And right there, you can actually see the live scores of each player, whether you're on the blue team or the red team. So yeah, no hiding, your performance is on full display. They've also got a bunch of drinks available: water, Red Bull, Fanta, Orange, Pepsi. And here are some of my students. Look at them, fully ready, fully hyped, and definitely ready to win this first battle. Before the game begins, the crew gives a quick orientation. So do not worry if it is your first time playing. They will walk you through how the laser tag works, explain the rules, and show you how to properly use the laser gun so you're ready for the battle. So yeah, no excuses, everyone's going in prepared. So let the first battle begins!
And then if you like kill enough people, you get like superpowers. I want to ask you so bad.
While we are waiting for our turn, so they still have time for some TikToks. If you are planning to celebrate your birthday here in Abuja, definitely it can be one on your list on laser tag. It is now our turn for the orientation.
When you are trying to pull the trigger, it's not going to respond. The reason is because there is a sensor that controls the operation of the gun. So once the game starts, make sure your hand is here while you're directing the gun out. On the screen here, you can see we have 2 weapons. The first one, which looks like this, is the default one you're seeing, one like this, which is the first one you're seeing, and the second one, which is the RPG. I believe you're familiar with RPG now. Yeah. Those ones we use in the one with this rocket launcher. It's the first button. No, so these are the weapons we have. Yes. So we have 30 unlimited magazines, 30 ammunition. So each time you're out of ammunition, after every 30 shots, after every 30 rounds, once you're out, all you press this black button, it's called the reload button. All you just press it once, it reloads automatically. Anytime you're out, but it's not a must, it must get finished. Anytime you just feel like reloading, you can just press it once, it refills automatically.
You don't have to wait for it to like...
Just if you feel like anytime, and if you don't want to wait for it to get finished, you can just press it, it finishes automatically.
Immediately, like you don't wait.
Yes, immediately. And to switch to the RPG, once the game starts, all you do is you press and hold this glowing red button for 2 seconds. It will not work now, once the game starts.
So the RPG scatters all the
So all you do is just press and hold for 2 seconds and it automatically switches.
So it switches the gun?
Yes. And this particular one, you can make use of it just only once.
In the whole game, one time?
Just only once in the whole game, very effective. At close range, you can take out 3 persons at once. At close range, it's not that when you are at close range, you take them out. And you score 1 point, but you cannot reload once you are done. Once you are done, all you do is just simply press and hold back this play red button to switch back to the default one, and you continue to enjoy the game. And then there are 4 zones on the player's kit you can hit to score points. There are the blade parts where the lights are showing in the jackets, which are your chest, shoulder, the back, and the gun itself. When I mean the body, once the game starts, there are laser beam red lights. So that's what you use to aim at the blade parts to score points. And to know if you are out of the game, your jacket blues white. Anytime you notice your jacket blues white, once you receive shot like 4 or 5 times consecutively, the jacket blues white automatically. So anytime you lose, I just know you're out of the game. But there's no problem. Once you're out, there's no problem. You have 2 bases inside. The red base and the blue base. All you do, you just go back to your base and show you inside. Just stand and get the jacket to respond. Once you respond, you see the blue light comes back and you enjoy your game. Anytime you blues white, just go back, respond, and you continue to enjoy your game. And we have superpowers in the game. We have 5 superpowers in the game. Each of the superpowers are being randomized on the player's test. The jacket activates them randomly. It's not a monster that I want something to pick them on a random basis. So to activate your superpowers, every 5 minutes in the game, you put your hands at the center sensor. They set like this, and then your left or right for anyone. Like this. 5 seconds, 1 superpower will be activated. And like I said earlier, they are very randomized. Picks their random.
For 5 seconds.
Yes.
So how do you know what's happening?
So to know if a particular superpower has been activated, the glowing lights, it gives a flashing sign and you hear a sound from the jacket that tells you activated, which means you have activated the superpower. And the 5 superpowers we have are the super damage, the power shield, the healer, the bumper man, and the super ninja. Those are the 5 superpowers we have. And let's say you activated the super damage. Once it's been activated, just 1 shot from the opponent, the person gets deactivated. He needs to go back to respond very active. Just 1 shot, the person is out. He needs to go back to respond. And each of the superpowers has specific signs. Anytime you activate them, make sure you check your touch, not the particular one. Once the game starts, this is what pops out on the screen. This is one of the superpowers. So the one for the super that I explained earlier, the sign for that is a missile sign. Once you see a missile sign like this on the screen, know you've activated super damage. Then the second one is the power shield. Power shield, once being activated, you become invulnerable to all forms of attack. Once you put, you know that you put on a bulletproof vest, once you receive shots, it doesn't count. And you can add 30 seconds. And you can act as a shield cover for your team. But the sign for the power shield is a vest sign. Once you see a vest sign, a bulletproof vest sign on your screen, know you've activated the power shield. Then the third one is a healer. This is the healer you can see here. This love and plus sign. Once you've been activated, once you receive shots, you heal by yourself. Once you've been shot, you just continue healing by yourself. On nearby allies. Once you've been shot, you just continue healing, nothing count. You just heal for that 30 seconds. And this is the sign you are seeing on your screen. This must have here. Just know you activated the healer. Then the fourth one is the bumper man. Bumper man is like the aeroplane, but it's 2 different. Once it's been activated, 1 shot the person is gone. You blows the person out. But like the RPG, you can take 3 persons, but this one just only 1 person at a time. The person is out. And then the sign for the bumper man is a grenade sign. Once you see a black grenade sign here, know you've activated the bumper man. Then the last one, which is the super ninja. Super ninja is different from the entire superpowers. Once it's been activated, the green light goes blank. They will think your jacket is out, they will think you are not in the game, but you are still in the game, just like you are invisible in the game right now. But that's when set to gain advantage over your opponent. But you have to be very smart too. They can still take you out too, but you have to be smart as well for the super ninja. But the sign for the super ninja is a ninja scarf. When you see a black ninja scarf on the screen, know you've activated the super ninja. But all of these superpowers last for 30 seconds. Any of them lasts for 30 seconds. Once it elapses, you have to wait for another 5 minutes to activate. But just keep activating anytime it picks, enjoy your superpowers. It's not a must wait for 5 minutes. And we have rules in the game. No physical contact with other players. For the guys, I know the girls are a little bit, And no lying on the floor. No climbing covers. Don't have any climbing covers. You have boards in there. In which you can hide out and smart your opponent. But please,
But
you
you
have
can
to,
squat here.
but you have to be careful so that you don't choke before like everything. And please don't run it. You must run, please. Start as much as possible.
Guys,
Start as much as possible to minimize the because if you run too much, you might get tired easily. So that you can very worry this. And this clip on the jacket is fixed. You're not allowed to remove it. All of this is just directed. So you can enjoy it.
I have a question.
How do I keep it? Yeah?
So you say you will use this to be
Let the battle begin.
Yo, bass banging, the truth flowing. I'm feeling so dope. A night like this should last forever. I'm so mad that it won't. Yo, the bass banging, the truth flowing.
After that fun and intense laser tag battle with my students, we're now walking through this beautiful area here at Blue Cabana Restaurant and Cafe, and wow, the night view is just amazing. And now, it's finally time for dinner. We ordered from Yankees Food Truck. They are serving some delicious American-style burgers. And look at that burger. It looks delicious. I cannot wait to eat my burger. And some of my students ordered from this Pomodoro food truck, where they've got a wide variety of tasty options to choose from. While waiting for our food, I decided to join my students for a quick stop at Frosty Pops. They've got these super yummy ice drop pops with so many flavors to choose from, plus boba drinks and different kinds of ice cream. This is what you can see as you enter this store. And it gets even more fun. You can try the claw machine and win your favorite Pokemon stuffed toy. Let's see if my student will get lucky today. Finally, our orders are here. It's time to eat. After such an amazing day, this is the perfect way to end our night. And that's it for today's adventure. I'll see you all in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.